Hi guys! So for today's vlog, we're going to downtown. Andito na kami ngayon sa Victoria Park Station. Windy ang weather. So we decided to eat noodles at Yunnan Noodle Shack. First time namin siya matitikman. So samahan nyo kami. It's been a while na din since my last vlog and that was 2 years ago. So time check now, it's 1:06 p.m. So hindi rush hour kaya medyo konti tao dito sa MRT. Pero pag rush hour na ko, good luck na lang kung makakaupo ka. 11 stops papuntang Bluriang and then transfer tayo ng another MRT which is yung yellow line kasi medyo malayo-layo yung lalakarin. Andito na kami ngayon sa DT, naglalakad na going to dun sa resto. Andito kami ngayon sa one of the biggest hospital in Toronto, which is the Toronto General Hospital. So nandito na kami sa Baldwin Street kung nasaan yung Yunnan at dahil malayo na pin namin, nandito kami sa Taisho Japanese Grill. Nakakaloka. Buti na lang malapit lang dito pupuntahan natin kundi baka dito na kami kumain. At ito na nga, nandito na kami ngayon sa Yunnan Noodle Shack. Konti lang yung nalakad namin. Tara, gutom na ako. Tara, pasok na tayo at mabigat yung pinto. Char! So, ayun, Yunnan is a Chinese resto. Pero yung concept niya is from Japan. So, ito yung per cubicle. So, if you wanna dine alone, perfect siya dito kasi may privacy panels in between. Ayan, silip-silip muna tayo kung madaming tao. And right now, we are just waiting to be seated. Ayun girl, sa sakto no pagsilip ko may lumabas. So yan, pinapasok na tayo ni ate. Walang ganung tao. Maganda yung place and malinis. So yan yung binuksan ni ate na drawer. You can put your bag or your jackets or even your winter coat. Mag-fit siya sa loob. Ayan. Ito yung order ko, yung bone soup noodles nila, and yung kay Didi naman is yung dry noodles. So yan, tapos na kami kumain, and while we are on our way going to Eaton Mall, nakita namin tong store for scrubs. Madaming iba't ibang klase ng scrubs. Pero walang figs. Kasi yung figs, I was told na they're not authorizing mag-resell. So, ito yung loob ng store. But if you're looking for scrubs, you can visit them. And here's the address. We are here now at Eaton Mall and we are inside the Uniqlo store. Every time we are here sa Eaton, ito yung una namin pinupuntahan to check kung may bagong release, and yung quality kasi talaga ng Uniqlo is super comfy. Napunta kami sa Apple Store and di ko alam na may binili pala itong si Hubby. Unbox natin to later. So yan, nakauwi na tayo. Let's do an unboxing now. So ito nga pala yung first Apple Watch ko. Ito, second generation siya. And I'm so happy dito sa new watch kasi nung chinek ko na siya, madami na pala siyang mga bagong features. So habang nag-unbox tayo, let me just give you some information ba't ako na hinto mag-vlog. So, vlogger yarn. Pero yun na nga. Kasi wala na rin akong masabi. So yun, nag-focus ako sa study ko and I graduated my program in health services in business admin in June of last year. But I already finished the program in April. It's just my graduation was set in June. So mga hindi nakakaalam, I was an international student here sa Canada. And now, I am now in my post-graduation work permit. So, yan nga. So, and while I'm studying, I started processing my application to become a nurse here dito sa Canada. I started my NNAS, National Nursing Assessment Service, in December 2022. Ito yung pinakamatagal sa lahat as I need some information from my nursing school back home and previous employer ko kung saan ako nag-work as a nurse sa Pinas. So sa akin, it took me almost 7 months bago lumabas yung result. And yes, medyo may kamahalan yung pagpa-process pero worth it naman in the end. Lahat ng hirap sa pag-process and especially yung pag-review ng NCLEX, it will pay off once nurse ka na dito. So I took my NCLEX in May and I'm so blessed because I passed for the first time. Yay! Super nag-pray ako together with my family and the family ko sa Pilipinas. And I officially got my registration with CNO in July. And then after that, I started applying as a nurse. And now, I'm happy to announce I am now a med-surg neuro ICU here sa Canada. So if you guys have any questions, just drop your questions sa comment section. I'll try to answer yung alam kong sagutin. And sa lahat ng gustong maging nurse dito, good luck and lagi nyo lang sasamahan ng prayers. God will never forsake you. So girl, good luck. And yan, napansin nyo naman yung struggle ko sa pag-open and pag-unbox ng watch. So yan, papatulong na tayo.